Hey friends, if you encounter fltmgr.sys blue screen error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run a Windows update. Why? Because this is a known issue, and if Microsoft pushes a patch for it, the patch will be pushed to Windows Update itself. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and click on Check for Updates. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to check hardware for physical issues. Okay, and how would you do that? Basically, there are a lot of basically there are a lot of peripheral hardware products which push in their own drivers like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. So here's what you have to do. Uh, Try disconnecting all peripherals, and then you can connect them one by one to identify which one was problematic. Now, for the one which was problematic, let's say you find out that the printer is the one which is causing the problem. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list of print queues and uninstall all related drivers. Okay, all of them. Uninstall each and every one of them. I'm just showing it for two. You can uninstall all of them. Now click on action and after uninstalling them, connect the printer or whatever device was problematic. Then click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.